Hey, my name is Jose Fernandez, and I just wanted to take some time to do some reverse engineering on a very old homebrew game that I remember playing back in 2006. Now, if you've ever played Yu-Gi-Oh, you understand that it's a very chaotic card game. For me, I didn't really play this game when it came out. In the past, I played Magic the Gathering when I was in high school, and I remember just coming back from partying and seeing the TV show on early like Saturday morning cartoons, and that's kind of how I got into it, just from not being able to sleep from different insomnias and stuff like that. Just living like a weird partying lifestyle too. Just keeps you up sometimes. Just watching the show, it was great. It was like the voice acting was really over the top, and that's probably what I remember most of it. So at one point, I wanted to see if there was, like, I think I was reading some forum somewhere, and apparently somebody had made a homebrew game of the card game because if you played Magic the Gathering, you didn't want to get sucked into just buying packs and packs and packs, trying to get onesies and twosies. So this was like a free, neat game. Apparently, the person had digitized a card, and I took some time this over the weekend, and I found the game. So it was actually called Edo's Yu-Gi-Oh's PC game. And the cool thing about it is the original author, he made updates to this thing probably up until about 2007, if I'm not mistaken. But the neat thing is the source code is available online. So on this other video that we did for the company website, I showed how to install Windows XP, which was the operating system that I was using back then. And I installed Visual Studio 6 Enterprise. We used to have a whole bunch of license keys for these things back in the day because we used to sell these things. And oddly enough, when I needed to find these CD keys, couldn't find these damn things, just buried in e-waste. But I wanted to take some time to like showcase this source code, so let's hop into it. So when you fire up this game, the first thing I did was I extracted all the source files using 7-zip, and I was able to open it pretty easily in Visual Studio 6. Now this game was designed for Visual Studio 5, but once you get through some of the import errors and some of the errors basically generated from missing dependency files, you can see most of the source code. And in our case, when we play the game, what you want to first do is fire up the executable, and as quickly as you can go two ways. Either you can start looking for these reference codes, which are going to allow you to give you cards that you would normally have to play through the game in order to get. For instance, if you want the Exodia cards, you can look for these reference codes, and basically the reference codes are very small text challenges that the game asks you at the beginning as a way to kind of reward people that have played this game before. Now, back then, I want to say I was using Auditor, and I probably used strings against the executable to find these codes. But now that the source code is out here, it's a lot easier to just search for the keyword of reference code, and eventually it'll drop you down into this list here that has all the values. So one of the things that I remember doing was cheating the save files by editing them and just basically copying the deck configurations from one character into mine. But it seems like that format has changed. So for now, I think that's good enough, and for me, it's a good trip down nostalgia lane. So if you like this video, cool. That's all I got. Take care.